Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make a really simple body butter for the summer. Alright, I love making my own homemade products to use. I like knowing what's in the products, and I like trying new scents and essential oils. So I thought I would do this body butter video for you guys to show you how easy it is to make. You really don't need a lot. You need pretty much 3 ingredients, some essential oils of your choice, a double boiler, a hand mixer, or you could use a KitchenAid. So I have pre-measured out my ingredients, but what you're going to need is a half a cup of shea butter, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So I am going to be using this body butter for summer, so I am going to choose a little bit more like uplifting and refreshing scents. So I'm going to use this essential oil called Healing Breath, which has eucalyptus, peppermint, lemon, rosemary, and cardamom. Now, one that I like to use in the winter time, which is much more of a Christmassy smell, is for Thieves, and that has a blend of clove, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So I really do like this one in the winter. If you're really going for a summer vibe, you can even do something very citrusy, but you can put whatever scents you want in it. All of these have pretty much no scent, so whatever essential oil you choose is going to end up the smell that your body butter is. Do you guys like making your own home products? Let me know what your favorite things to make are in the comment section below. So let's go to the stove and I will show you how to make this body butter. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is start with your water in a plain old pot, and then you're gonna put your heat safe bowl on top, and we're just gonna turn the oven on and get that water nice and hot. You see over here some pizza dough. That's for dinner later. Now I'm just gonna put all of my ingredients directly into the bowl, and we're gonna let it melt. And then I'm just gonna add my shea butter. So I definitely think if you break some of the larger chunks down a little bit, it makes this go a lot quicker. And you just really want all of the oils and butter to be well incorporated with each other. So we're almost there to a fully liquid state. If you guys are interested in other DIY home skincare products, I did make a video on how I make my lip balm, and I still swear by that recipe and love it. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the iCard and you can check that out. All right, so we are completely done. It is a completely liquid state and everything is well combined. We're gonna take it off of our heat. Just be careful, it is very hot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it cool. So we want our oil and our butter to cool back to a kind of soft consistency, but harden up again. And I'm going to blend it only when it reaches that point, or then you're not gonna get that smooth, buttery texture. All right, so before this completely cools, I am going to add my essential oils so I can get the smell and scent dispersed within all of the oil. I'm just gonna do about probably 10 to 15 drops. It depends on the essential oil you're using and how strong it is. Certain brands are definitely stronger than others. All right, so I'm just gonna give that a stir so it's well incorporated. Certain essential oils are not great for kids, so do look that up before you use it on your children if you pick certain ones. So I think that's well incorporated. I am going to pop this in my refrigerator to speed the process up. This is probably a decent consistency for whipping. It should look kind of like room temperature butter. I'm just gonna use my hand mixer and I'm gonna whip it up. The outside is a lot more hardened than the center, so I'm just gonna scrape it down. All right, so once it's whipped to a pretty thick consistency. Then we're gonna store it in a glass container. I really like these 6-ounce mason jars. There you have it, some absolutely beautiful and fluffy body butter that is just really natural and simple to make. All right, so this body butter turned out so fluffy and it smells so delicious. If you are very sensitive skinned, I would suggest you not use it on your face because it is a lot of oil, but if you have dry skin anywhere else in your body, elbows, knees, this works really great for that. I like using this stuff like on my elbows and on my hands because I do work at a hospital. I Purell my hands probably like 50 times a day. So this really combats the dryness that comes from using alcohol-based products on your hand. I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you are going to make this, please leave me a comment below. If you have your own body butter recipe that you'd like to share, leave that in the comments below too. Until next time, I will see you then.